Hi viewers, last few sessions we are seeing how to build the MVC applications. So hereafter I going in a deep to cover how to get the data from the database, how to insert, how to edit, how to do the validations, these things too. So please follow my sessions to get more idea about MVC. Okay, fine. So I'm planning actually uh, to display some data from the database to my view. So here all are like static pages that I created using the HTML. So what I going to do is I planning to create one controller, and according with the view I plan to display some data from the table into the view. So we'll see how it works. So I'm just going to open my SQL server. I have the set of databases in my table, sorry, in my databases. So I plan to develop my MVC application with the new path database. Here I have some set of tables. I have one table name as TBL record. Okay, fine. I just plan to create my database from the scratch. So I'm just delete my database. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, I am planning to create one database name as student. This is my database. I'm planning to add this as a primary key. And I'm giving the identity auto increment by 1. Okay, here student name. This is enquire default. Marks begin. Phone. Also I'm giving the data type as begin. Created. Okay, this is my data date column. I am just saving my databases. Students. Okay, and I'm adding some name like Arun Marks 87. Phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Some phone number and 8 2015. Okay, then Kumar 85. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 09 07 2015. Okay, now I have set of tables, um set of records in my table. Okay, now what I am going to do is, uh, before creating a controller, I going to create a database model. It means to connect the database. So what I am going to do is, I plan to add a new item here. Okay, I just no need to create a new. I'm directly going to add the class. This is my MVC app database DB. Fine. Okay, now I have a set of class. So here what I am going to do is, I am going to refer DB context. This is actually the class get from the library system.data.entity. It is an entity class library. It will uh, give you the set of action to insert and talk with the database, whatever the action that you are providing here. So now I have the database instance here. So what I have to do is, I want to get the model. Here I am going to apply the code first approach. There is a three set of things you have to remember to talk with the database. One is code first approach, one is model first, and finally is data first approach. Here I am going to use a code first approach. Code first approach is actually, um, you are just creating the entities and you are talking with the database. Database approach is to directly we get the database instance, and with the instance you can directly call into the class or a controller. So I have the table student. I want the entity model for this. So what I am going to do is, I am going to add one more class, name as student. Here I am going to create some few property, public int id. Okay, public, it's a string, student name, get and set, and public. I have the next field is mark as a begin and created on his date. Int begin to 64 marks. Okay, next to phone. Okay, now I have the entity model name as a student.